Hey history enthusiast! Welcome back to the Archive Facts. Today we are going to study about the Ayodhya Ram Mandir history and the dispute over Ram Janmabhoomi-Babri Masjid. The city of Ayodhya is situated in the Uttar Pradesh province of northern India. Lord Rama, one of the most revered gods in Hinduism. Lord Rama is said to have been born in Ayodhya and to have governed the city during the Treta Yuga, one of Hinduism's four epochs. As a result, Ayodhya holds particular significance for Hindus and has long been a popular destination for pilgrims. What was the Ram Janmabhoomi-Babri Masjid site conflict? The location of the Ram Janmabhoomi-Babri Masjid in Ayodhya is one of the most controversial issues in modern Indian history. It is thought that this location, where a long-standing temple to Lord Rama once existed, is where he was born. The Mughal Emperor Babur constructed a mosque there named the Babri Masjid in the 16th century. The mosque stood for hundreds of years before a group of Hindu nationalists tore it down in 1992. When the Babri Masjid was torn down, it led to racial tensions all over India and a long legal battle over who should own the land. Lord Rama won the property in 2019 after the Indian Supreme Court ruled in their favour. Evidence for the presence of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. On the site of the Babri Masjid, there is strong historical proof that a temple to Lord Rama once stood. The sanctuary is thought to have been built in the 1st century BCE by King Vikramaditya, who was the ancestor of King Rama. Legend says that the sanctuary was destroyed and rebuilt many times over the years, with the most recent version being built by King Harshu in the 10th century CE. Babur ordered the building of the mosque in the 16th century, which is the first time the Babri Masjid was mentioned in writing. Some of the materials from the temple were used in the mosque, which was constructed on top of the temple's ruins. The Babur-named mosque served as a site of worship for the local Muslims. However, several bits of evidence imply that a Lord Rama temple once stood where the mosque now stands. 1. The finding of a pillar with a Hindu inscription on the site in 1990 is one of the most convincing bits of proof. The inscription, which is from the 12th century, mentions a temple to Lord Rama that once existed on the spot. 2. The mosque looks like a Hindu temple because its main dome is built like a Hindu temple spire, and it has pillars and carvings that you usually find in Hindu temples. 3. A British survey of the area from the 1800s talks about a temple called Rama Janmastan, which means birthplace of Rama. Several other historical accounts, including those written by Muslims, also say that the land was home to a temple dedicated to Lord Rama. 4. In 2003, the Archaeological Survey of India, ASI, excavated the location and discovered signs of a sizable building that they thought might be the temple's ruins. Conclusion. The dispute was finally settled by the Indian Supreme Court in 2019, which ruled in favour of the construction of a Ram Janmabhoomi temple on the site. November 9, 2019, Supreme Court delivers landmark verdict, ending the almost 70-year dispute, and ordering that the disputed 2.77 acres of land be transferred to a trust, to be set up by the Indian government, for the construction of Ram Temple. The Apex Court also ordered allocating 5 acres to Muslims in Ayodhya for building a mosque. On August 5, 2020, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the construction of the Ram Mandir. January 22, 2024, Pran Pratishtha, consecration ceremony, of Ram Lala's idol scheduled to take place. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon for regular notifications. And stay tuned for next video.